Hi there, let's take a look at your submission for the Chapter 1 mid-level. So you can see I've already advanced to where I'm looking at your results from your submission. You should do that same thing. Go ahead on the right-hand side, click on Download Submitted File. I want you to click and download a fresh copy of that submitted file. I've already done that. I have the file open in Excel. Let's take a look at the things that you need to correct. So I'm going to scroll down and take a look at the first one here is step 13. It says apply the align right and increase the indent 2 times. Well, it gave you some points, so let's take a look and find out what about that it didn't like. And it says in cells E5 through E12, the indentation was not set to 2 stops. So here, let's go ahead and get started and fix this. Remember that when you submitted the file, both sheets were grouped together. So the first thing you have to do is right-click on the sheet name, either sheet name, and choose Ungroup Sheets. Now go to Houses Sold, select E5 through E12. It's already right-aligned, that's perfect. Use the Increase Indent command and click that twice. 1, 2. It might look funny like this on the screen, but that's fine. Just let it be that way. We don't have to worry about that because the coding for correcting it, it doesn't care what it actually looks like. All right, back to my IT lab. The next thing we have to correct is the insert a new sheet named formulas. Okay, back here in Excel, we talked about this one in class. It needs a capital letter F, so I'm going to correct that there. Okay, back we go one more time. The next thing to correct is here, group the 2 worksheets together, select landscape orientation, center the page horizontally and vertically. Okay, so now I'm going to hold down my shift key. I'm going to click both sheets so they're grouped together. From the page layout tab, click print titles. In the sheet tab, I'm going to what am I doing? Under the margins tab, I'm going to center the page horizontally and vertically. And there was something else. I have to flip back for just a second. What else did we have to do here? Oh, orientation, change the orientation. Okay, so I'm going to click OK to this. From the page layout tab as well, I'm going to choose orientation and landscape. Both should be set to landscape. Okay, back to my IT lab. With both worksheets still grouped, insert a footer with the name Exploring Series on the left, sheet name in the center, and file name on the right. Okay, so back in Excel, both sheets are still grouped. That's perfect. Click Print Titles again. Click Header Footer. Custom Footer. At the left, we're going to type Exploring Series. In the center, we're going to add the sheet name. In the right, we're going to add the file name. All right, click OK. Click OK one more time. And I think that should be the last correction needed. Yeah, everything else was